Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can remove Google Assistant from power button in OPPO smartphone. So right now if I'll hold my power key, as you will see, the Google Assistant will be launched. So in order for me to prevent that, I will need to go into settings, then enter the additional settings category. From here go for the power button section and open the press and hold the power button page. In here simply switch its function to power menu, and now once I will hold the side power key, instead of launching the Google Assistant, it will launch the power off menu. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.